you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years will never let me down. You've known my life all around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years I've never been afraid. I love the life with me, and I'm so glad this day right here with you. Through the years I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it's turned to me, and more and more. To the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I'll always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's bitter every day. You kiss my thirst away, as long as it's okay. I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right there with you. Through the years I never had the time. We'd always work things out. I've learned one life apart. I love you through the years. Through the years, you've never let me down. You turned my life